Let us now begin with what the gospel truly is. Why is it called a mystery? The biggest misunderstanding is we treat gospel as advice. Many people open the Bible and treat it like a book of advice. How to live a good life, how to improve ourselves, how to be moral, how to be successful, how to become spiritual. See, this is one of the biggest mistake and one of the first mistake I'll say. Why? Because gospel is not a book of advice. It is not a list of instructions telling us how to change ourselves. Gospel is not a moral, philosophical or self-improvement book. Advises tells us what you must do. Good news tells us what Christ has completed. Advises puts the burden on us, whereas the good news puts the glory on Christ. So, first thing, let us understand that the gospel is not the book of advice, but it is good news. If you ask any Christian what is good news or what is gospel, they will say it is good news. So what is good news? Let us understand this properly with an example. Let's take a doctor and a patient. Suppose the patient is very, very sick and he uses all kinds of home remedies to become better. When he sees that he is not getting better, he goes to the doctor and the doctor gives the advice. What is the advice? Drink this. Take this tablet morning, afternoon and evening. This is advice which we have to do. The work has to be done by us. But suppose he goes to another doctor and he gives the advice that I have a good news for you. This is not advice, but he says I have a good news for you. Okay? The disease which is there in you, it has been removed from your body completely and you are healed completely. See, this is good news. Religion gives advice, whereas the good news gives the complete work of Jesus Christ, the finished work of Jesus Christ. That is good news.